This is Array-1, makeMiddle, and the problem reads, given an array of integers of even length, return a new array length 2 containing the middle two elements from the original array. The original array will be length 2 or more. So for this first example, the output is 2, 3 because the 2 in the middle are 2 and 3. For this problem, I'm going to create an integer array to return at the very end. Call it myArray. And set that to have 2 rooms. Now I'm going to create an integer variable called middle to hold nums.length divided by 2. And I'm going to make my array at 0 equal to nums and the position middle minus 1, and my array at position 1 will contain nums at the position middle. I'm going to return my array.